In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate emails in Gmail. If you ever open an email and realize it's written in a language you don't understand, Gmail has a built-in tool that makes translating it quick and painless. You won't need to copy and paste into another site, and you don't have to change any complicated settings. Start by opening Gmail in your browser and heading to your inbox. Find the message you want to translate and open it so the full email is visible. You'll be working from the message itself, not the preview. At the top right area of the opened email, you'll see a vertical three-dot icon, sometimes labeled as More. This menu contains extra actions for the message. Click that icon to reveal the options and look for the one that says Translate or Translate Message. Select it, and Gmail will immediately get to work. When you choose Translate, Gmail detects the language of the original message automatically and shows you the translated version right inside the email. You'll usually see a small translation bar across the top of the message, confirming the detected language and the language it's translating into. This is helpful because it gives you context about what changed. From that bar, you can typically switch the target language if you prefer to read it in a different one, and you can always return to the original text with a single click if you need to compare wording. It's a smooth way to make sure you're getting the meaning right, especially in messages that include idioms or formal phrases. One tip to keep in mind: if the email is already in your default language, the translate option may not appear prominently, or you might see the translation bar tell you that the message is already in the language you use. That simply means Gmail doesn't think translation is necessary. If a message mixes multiple languages, Gmail still does a good job of detecting the main one and translating the body of the email so the overall meaning is clear. And that's it. Open the email you want to translate, use the three-dot More menu, choose Translate, and read the message in a language you understand. It's fast, accurate for everyday communication, and built right into the Gmail experience, so you can stay focused on the content instead of the tools. If you found this helpful, try it the next time you get an email in another language and see how much time it saves.